Merry Christmas! Today is such an amazing, special day, and I just want to thank you for stopping by. I wanted to make this very, very quick episode just to say thank you. Thank you so much. We have achieved over 150 downloads on this podcast. This is such a huge thing. We have over 16 ratings, and this podcast to me has been in my heart for over a year and a half. And so starting it was such a big leap for me in just personal growth. And so I'm celebrating big and I want to thank you. So that's pretty much it. I hope you have an amazing Merry Christmas. And again, thank you for downloading this podcast, sharing this podcast with your friends, and please screenshot the podcast and tag me on Instagram so I know what you're loving about it. I'll talk to you soon. Have an amazing Merry Christmas.